So as we decided in our previous video, I told that above this level we have to look for buying opportunities, and we got one also. But the only problem was it was giving very volatile moves. It was going completely on the upside and then giving completely reversal. Even then too, it gave 34 pips. So now I'll modify new support and resistances. So new support and resistances have been modified. So above this level we have to look for buying opportunities. This will be a no trade zone. Reason being it is very volatile area, so it doesn't make sense to take trade. And below this level you can look for shorting opportunities. But the trend is on the upside, so chances are it may take support from this level or may take support from this level. On a weekly basis, what I think is it may take resistance from here or consolidate a bit and then give a breakout on the upside or downside. So we won't be speculating. We'll be just seeing that how it reacts. So we have made our levels. If it reacts the way we want, we will trade accordingly. And if it doesn't, then we won't be trading. Okay. So same in EURUSD, I told that below this level we had to look for shorting opportunities, and we got one, and it has given very clean move from here till here. Firstly 11 pips, then 22 pips, and then a trail you would have got easy 22 pips. So now I'll modify new support and resistances. New support and resistances have been modified. So this will be a no trade zone. Reason being it is making a W pattern, which is a bullish pattern. So chances are if it goes above this level, it can give targets from here till this one and this two. And if it doesn't give, then chances are we can see good down move. And what it is looking on weekly basis, you can see that it is at support, and it has made inverted head and shoulders type of pattern and at support. So chances are it may take a good bounce. So we'll be taking accordingly. We have marked our support and resistances, and we'll trade after seeing how it reacts on our levels. Okay, very high chances that it may come here and give good recovery, and if it doesn't give, there are chances that we'll be trading on half quantity only because major trend is on the upside. Okay, same in GBPUSD, I told that below this level we have to look for shorting opportunities. This was a no trade zone, and above this level we have to look for buying opportunities, but chances are it may take resistance from here or here. Nothing like that happened. Below this level I told we have to look for shorting opportunities, and this in here target was very big, and we have achieved easy 28 to 38 pips. So now I'll modify new support and resistances. So chances are if it gives breakout above this level, we can see these levels and again see resistance in here. Okay, else if it comes below this level, we can look for shorting opportunities from here till here. What it looks like on weekly basis, you can see it has again made same pattern like EURUSD, that it is an inverted head and shoulders type of pattern, and it is at base. So chances are it may take a good bounce and give us new targets. It may give, but we'll see how it reacts on our levels, and we'll be looking for buying opportunities only. Looking for buying opportunities. Okay, so these all areas are for buying. In BTC, so same in Bitcoin also, I told avoid this zone. This was a no trade zone. Below this level we had to look for shorting opportunities, and we got one also. But the only problem was the target was very small, 500 points, and nothing major on the downside. So above this level, any trade you get, we had to take in half quantity. This was a no trade zone, and it will remain a no trade zone. We'll modify new support and resistances. Been modified again. Same below this level, if it comes, we can look for shorting opportunities. Above this level, take in half quantity for buying trades. Else wait, because chances are it is going to give a good breakout on the upside. The pattern looks same, because if it has to go, it would have gone very much earlier, but it is not going. So chances are we may see a good breakout from here till here. Okay, on a weekly basis what it looks like is it is making small candles. If it had to go, it might have broken this level too very fast, but it hasn't broken this level. So chances are we can see a little bit consolidation in this zone, as it is at support also, and this zone may act as a support. So chances are we can see a good bounce or sideways or consolidation, and then after good consolidation we can see a good breakout or a breakdown. So we'll trade accordingly. No need to be very hopeful or no need to be very fearful. We'll trade according to our levels. And if it is in a dicey zone, chances are we'll be taking in half quantity only. That's the way you trade. Not too much thinking. Same in gold, I told that take in half quantity if you want to scalp. This will act as a support zone, and chances are we can see a good bounce. But it has given not very much good bounce. It has just been bouncing from here and consolidating. It went 40 pips, then going down, then 40 pips, then again came down. So it is very much consolidation, but now it is going in our level. So analysis remains same. Nothing major changes. Take in half quantity, look for scalp opportunities only, and this zone will remain a volatile zone. And after consolidation, like it is doing here, it has moved from here till here and consolidation, then breakout. Chances are if it does same like here, then high chances that may see a good breakout. And weekly basis it looks like it will consolidate for a long time, and it will remain in this zone. Let's see what it does. And on a weekly basis, nothing looks very convincing either on the buy side or on the sell side, because these candles shows very good buyers. This candle shows very much good buyers and very much good sellers. So chances are market may remain in here for a long time and then give a breakout or a breakdown. If you like my videos, please like and share, friends. Thank you.